soon. Developing now, attorneys for a Maryland man mistakenly deported being held in an El Salvador prison. They were back in a federal courtroom today. They were in Greenbelt this afternoon for another hearing, hoping the process will return Kilmar Abrego Garcia to the United States.
And last night, the Supreme Court issued a decision affirming the order of a district judge that they need to facilitate the return of Abrego Garcia back home.
DC News Now's Tim Reed is at the courthouse this afternoon. And Tim, tell us, what did the lawyers have to tell you today?
Good evening. Well, this afternoon, the judge said she will be requiring daily updates about the whereabouts of Kilmar Garcia and efforts to bring him back to the U.S.
The government needs to take all steps reasonable to facilitate the return of Mr. Abrego Garcia to the United States.
Kilmar Garcia's lawyer was talking tough this afternoon, demanding the government quickly take the steps necessary to bring his client home as soon as possible.
And that in the meanwhile, it needs to provide the court with information, specifically 3 pieces of information. 1, where is Mr. Abrego Garcia right now? What is his custodial status? What has the government done so far to try to bring him back?
Last night, the Supreme Court issued a decision affirming the order of a district judge that they need to facilitate the return of Kilmar Garcia back home. His attorney says Garcia was wrongly deported to El Salvador, where he's being held unjustly in prison.
The government attorney did say that they intend to comply with the order and bring him back. That's the bare minimum. They should have done that already. They've had plenty of time between the Supreme Court's order early yesterday evening and now. He should be here in the United States. It's a 5-hour flight.
Yes.
The White House had argued that Garcia was a gang member of MS-13, but Garcia's lawyers countered, saying there is no evidence he was ever in a gang.
We are also, as plaintiffs' counsel, we are not going to accept the government's generic and unsubstantiated assertions that they're working on this, that they're considering it.
The Supreme Court made their ruling last night very clear that it's the administration's responsibility to facilitate the return, not to effectuate the return. I believe the Department of Justice just filed another brief in the lower court. I would defer you to that.
Now, Garcia's legal team says this fight is not over, and they will continue to fight until Garcia is brought back home. We're live tonight in Greenbelt, Maryland. Tim Reed, DC News Now.